Climate change can be a confusing subject to talk about because so many people seem to confuse climate with weather. The world's climate is not the same thing as the weather. But what does that mean? What exactly is the difference between weather and climate? Mostly, the difference is time. Weather is the set of conditions in the atmosphere at a specific location at a specific time. Weather changes day to day, hour to hour. But climate describes the average conditions in an area over a long period of time. Climate changes over decades or centuries. And it's not just time though. It's also area. Weather is sometimes different just a few miles away. But climate is often used to describe whole regions of the planet. Here's an example of these differences. What's the weather like in Timbuktu, Mali? Well, the answer depends on when you're watching this video. It might be hot or it might be cool. It might be sunny or cloudy. And it might even be cooler in one part of the city than another. Timbuktu is located in the Sahara Desert. Now, what is the climate of the Sahara Desert like? Well, that's easier. The Sahara has a hot, dry climate. High atmospheric pressure combined with a tropical location mean high levels of solar radiation heat the region up. And that's true even when it's cool or cloudy, because the climate isn't about what's happening right now. It's about what happens on average. That difference in scale isn't just semantics either. Slight changes in weather are rarely cause for concern. If it's warm in the morning and cooler at night, that's pretty normal. But small changes in climate can cause big problems. If climate change happens too quickly, plants and animals that have evolved to take advantage of a certain climate can be threatened. And climate change can have big impacts on people too, because climate describes average conditions. A small climate change can mask big weather events. A change in climate can affect crops and increase risks of natural disasters like hurricanes, flooding, and wildfires. So next time you step outside and the weather's colder than you expected, remember that weather isn't climate. Even in our warming world, there will be some chilly evenings.